welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about these really cool video lights from Raleno. This is a video lighting kit, a full kit, so you get two of these lights. And these are awesome, large, diffused lights to use for videography or filmmaking. You get two of these lights. They have controlled temperatures. They have controlled brightness. They are wireless, rechargeable batteries built in. Also comes with this awesome bag to carry everything in, because you also get the stands. These are on stands, and these two stands come in the box. Great powder finish stands, very high quality. Don't take up a lot of space. You can fit them wherever you need to put them. And then they fold into each, once they're all folded up, everything fits in this bag for carrying, which is great. So really awesome lights. I've been very excited to use them and to be using them. I can't use them for this video because I'm showing them to you, but I know you want to see them in action. You want to see how they work. You want to see all the features of them. And so let's jump over to several demo videos so you can see exactly what you're getting in these lights and how awesome they are and how they work. So right now this is the back of the Raleno video light. And you'll see this is your display, and then you've got your controls over here. This is the input for the power where you plug in to charge the built-in battery. And when I turn it on here, on-off switch, and you'll see you've got a nice, very easy to read display, very large. You've got your battery indicator here. The percentage there is your brightness, and this is your temperature. And you see you have a brightness dial over here, so as I go down on that, you can see that the brightness goes down all the way to 0. So anywhere from 0 to 100, fully controllable. You wanted 55, you can go 55, whatever you want. And then same thing for the temperature. You've got temperature all the way down to 3200, which is more of a yellowish white light, more emulating sunlight. And then you can go all the way up to 5600. This is more of a blue or a cold. A lot of people refer to this as a cold light, more of a pure white light that has sort of a whitish or bluish tinge to it. So yeah, anywhere, whatever setting in between you want, you can get that. So right here you see this is your light panel, and you can see it's just like a solid panel. You don't see individual LEDs. And I'm going to turn it on. Right now it's only at 33% brightness, and it's on somewhat of a warm color. I'm going to turn the brightness up so you can see that. So all the way up, and this is 100%. Now my video recorder is going to adjust its own brightness as I'm doing this, so it may not show perfectly, but that's 100%, and then I'm going to adjust it down a little bit. And now I'm going to change the color temperature so you can see that. So you can go all the way to that more blue-white light or cold white, and then you can go anywhere in between all the way to that nice, more of a warm sun light color. And you can see that what makes this light great is the fact that it is a very diffused light. You don't see any individual LEDs or individual lights. It's just like a solid white light. So it covers everything evenly and just provides the perfect type of light for video lighting, for videography and filming. So this is me just standing in the room with just the bedroom lights on. There's ceiling lights, recessed lighting, ceiling lights, so there is light all around, but no direct lighting on me or anything, just the lights in the room. And this is what it looks like without using any Raleno video lighting. Now this is me with the Raleno video lights, having a light in front of me, filling the space brighter, and then a light off to the side of me, side lighting my face, and a little bit softer. And now you can see not only is the room lit up with some of the light from the video lights, but the lights that are in the room, but now I'm also well lit. But it's not a spotlight. It's a very soft light, and of course because it's adjustable, you can adjust the temperature and the brightness as needed. But much better lighting once I have those two Raleno lights set up and lighting the subject. It definitely gives you a better lighting experience. So you can see from all those videos, these are great lights. This lighting kit is awesome. It really can take your videography, your filmmaking to another level, because good lighting is key. Good lighting is so important for everything you do when you're filming. And these lights are great because they give you that diffused light. It's not a spotlight. It's not a harsh light. The fact that they have that adjustable brightness to get just the right brightness you need, but also the adjustable temperature so that you can get either more of a warm or a cool or anywhere in between, depending on what you're doing and what lighting is good for your set. You can get that. The fact that they are completely wireless and rechargeable, running off of that lithium-ion battery. That way you don't have to worry about cords and things. And they're small. That's what I love about them. I mean, they're not tiny. They're like the perfect size. They're so much smaller than like traditionally you would use a big, bright, old school bulb light and then have, a big white screen in front of it to diffuse the light, or an umbrella to get indirect light. But with these just two kind of fairly small lights, you can accomplish so much. And they're just so well made. The LCD screen on the back is so easy to read and clearly see how much battery power do I have left, what's my brightness level, what's my temperature. Easy to see that. The fact that they come with these two amazing stands with that nice powder finish, and these stands so easy to adjust and get the height, and you can get them pretty tall or really short depending on your needs, which is just great. And then on top of all that, you get this great bag to carry it all in, so when you're going out somewhere on location or on a set, you can just pack everything in here and take it with you to keep everything safe. So really awesome product by Raleno, and definitely a video lighting kit that I would highly recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in these products, feel free to share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, anything I forgot to cover, then just post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer you if I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.